Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you not just to speak, but to ignite the fire within each of you. Life is a journey, filled with challenges and opportunities that shape who we are. Each obstacle you face is not a wall, but a stepping stone, an invitation to rise, grow, and transform. Do not underestimate your power. You hold the ability to change your destiny, to turn dreams into reality. Every great achievement in history began with a single step, a decision to act, to believe, and to push forward despite fear and doubt. Embrace your passions, chase your vision with relentless determination. Remember, greatness is not reserved for the chosen few. It is earned by those who dare to dream, to struggle, and to persist. So I urge you, stand tall, be brave, and take that leap. The world is waiting for your greatness, and it starts now. Seize the moment, ignite your purpose, and let nothing hold you back. Together, we can create a future full of possibility. Thank you.